we said earlier, may makikiparty sa atin na special guest natin for today. Let us all welcome the acoustic princess, Princess Velasco! Hi, Princess!
Hello.
Hi guys, I got your invite, so I'm here.
Nice, and I want to give you your
Loot
bag.
bag!
There's like
Thank you so much
wonderful
for
stuff
wearing the
inside.
party hat.
Of course, super makikiparty
Show your
tayo.
party
Happy 5 million guys.
Aw,
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So ngayon, upo muna tayo, guys.
Yes.
Medyo maging
Our
formal
party.
tayo
This is
sa-
our party.
Okay. So, how have you been, Princess? We missed you.
Yes, of course, I'm promoting my newest album.
Ooh.
And I've been busy doing that. Syempre after ko gumawa ng album, I have to promote it. So now, I'm here on Mix. Thank you so much for guesting me on
Yun
Baby
nga,
Top 10.
you have an album out. So, can you
Yes.
tell us about it? Ano ba yung
It's
theme
Acoustic Princess OPM. That's the title of the album. And it's from Vicar Music pa rin. And produced pa rin by Mr. Sunny Ilacad. Sila ang my label and my producer for my past 6 albums, diba? So, I'm very, very happy that I'm with them. And of course, this time, yung dating mga albums ko, puro mga covers ng mga foreign songs. Ngayon naman, covers ng mga OPM songs. And bonus pa, meron ditong track na original na ako ang nagsulat.
Nice!
Yes, the title is Tampo, and it's my latest single.
Aha.
And watch out for my music video of Tampo here on Mix. I will show it very, very soon.
Doon
on
naman
Mix
sa mga
Premiere.
OPM songs na you covered, how did you choose it? Parang ikaw ba yung nag-choose nun? Favorite mo ba sila? Mga kinalakhan mong songs?
Actually, may mga pinili ako. May pinili yung producer ko, may pinili yung label, mga taga-Vicor. And it's a mix of old and new.
Guys, we are gonna talk more to Princess later on and about her latest single. But I want to ask you guys an important question. Did you guys listen to the songs of the Himig Handog? Did
Ako
you?
nakakapanood ako niyan dito sa Mix, yung mga himig handog.
Have you heard the songs?
Yes, may mga napanood na ako ng mga video.
Skanda,
Siyempre
diba?
yung video ng friend ko, si Juris, diba?
Oh,
Pinanood ko yun.
Okay, support, hashtag. Back to our very special guest, Miss Princess Velasco.
Who joined us for our party?
Oo nga, thank you so
Thank you.
much. At ngayon, kinakain niyo na yung mga candies dun sa loot bags namin. Legit talaga na party. So, Princess, kanina nabanggit mo na yung first single mo of this album. It's called Tampo. So, what is it about?
I actually wrote that song, so sobrang proud ako sa kanta na yan. And again, the title is Tampo. So I wrote it based on my personal experience. And dati kasi, nung medyo bago pa kami nung aking minamahal, alam niyo yung dumaan kami sa stage na talagang sobrang matampuhin ako. Ako lang. Clear ko lang siya, hindi siyang tatampo. Ako lang yung mahilig magtampo. And he would do everything to, para siyuin ako. Parang he would, yung pinaka-extreme is he wrote me a song. And he performed it. Pero sa akin lang naman. And the music video, directed by Direk Carlo Alvarez, is yung ganun siya, yung parang story niya is may mga couples na medyo nag-aaway-aaway, ganyan, nagdi-date sila pero magkagalit, yung mga ganun. So, yun.
I can't wait to see the music video then.
Yes, and aside from your song, and aside from the album na excited na kaming marinig, we also want to see you on your show. So, would you like to invite everyone to see you?
Yes, on September 21, I'll be at Lawag, and September 24 at Midsayap in South Cotabato. So, medyo fly muna.
Alright,
Busy.
once again, Princess Velasco,
Princess,
everyone!
thank you so much.
But, before we let you go, hingan ka namin ng message for the hashtag Mix5 million.
Again, to Mix, sobrang natutuwa ako for all of you kasi 5 million na, my God, that's like ilang percent ng population ng Pilipinas? 5%, di ba? Parang ganun eh. So, congratulations sa inyong lahat. And more power to you guys. I'm sure abutin ng 10 million, ng 20 million, ng 30 million, ng 50 million, kalahati ng Pilipinas.
Push natin yan.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so
Princess
much,
Velasco,
Princess.
everyone!
Hope to see you again soon, Princess.